What up, what up, what up? Hey everybody, what's up YouTube world? Hello, it's me again. I'm back. Back with another depression in me. I've been wanting to do a little talking and just reflect. Today I feel, well lately I've been feeling a little defeated and depleted. Um, when things don't go your way, like constantly, and a lot of people it may not seem like a lot to them, but it takes it's a lot. It's a lot to me. It takes a lot of my energy and my focus, and it just puts me in this place where I don't like to be, but it's kind of like my cocoon because I'm healing. But depression is not fun. I hate it, and I wish I can just walk away from it and never look back. But can't do that. So one day at a time. One day at a time. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. I ain't even gonna lie. But you gotta keep pushing. Light at the end of the tunnel. Anyway, I just been wanting to get on here just to talk and realize some things, I guess. I need a therapist, y'all. Shoot, I can't be coming up on here talking on here and crying on y'all and junk. Y'all be like, hey, stop all that crying. What you crying for? You ain't got no reason to be crying. I know. Just tired. Defeated and depleted. It was something else I wanted to say. I done let my shyness, and I done posted, this quote. I came up with this quote because I was basing it off myself. I done let a lot of opportunities pass me by because of being too damn shy. Like, that's another thing I don't like about myself, being shy. I hate it with a passion. Oh my God, I hate it so much. But at the same time, I'm I hate being shy. I hate when the attention's on me. Like, oh my goodness, everybody's watching me. I don't like that either. And it seems like nowadays the only way that you can get, people to be looking at you, either you gotta be really rude or real stupid to do something. So and I don't wanna do either. I don't wanna be either. I just wanna be me. I want people to know me and just like me for me. That's why I love my 12 little followers that I have. Cause they like me for me. I like that. I love y'all. Yeah. I love y'all. I just don't know. That it warms up the cockles of my heart when I log in and see, oh, I got another subscriber. Come on up now. We gonna come up together. But yeah, anyway, what I was saying. See, lost my train of thought. Uh, quote the quote. You being shy will get you nowhere but missed opportunities, and I believe that because I do that on a Bailey. I do that on a daily. But I've come accustomed, so accustomed to being shy. It's like that's another cocoon. I can revert back to that and be okay, be fine, you know. But I'm trying to get out my comfort zone. I'm trying. Y'all give me some ideas. What I need to do. Don't have me jumping out of airplanes and stuff, which I want to do that, but don't. I need to warm up, y'all. I need to warm up to it. Okay, give me something, some small tasks. Okay, something easy. That way I can do it and I can feel myself doing whatever, and then y'all can be like, okay, cool, cool. Maybe they'll bump up my confidence to get out of my shy bubble and I can do more stuff. But it's annoying being shy. And I know that's weird to say, but it is. It really is. Like, I don't like it, but I don't know where to start to get out of my comfort zone. So, yeah, I'm a complicated soul. If y'all didn't know by now, you know now. So, that's how it is with me. Uh, yeah. What else? You see, talking, and I stopped crying. So, because earlier I was just sitting here thinking on negative thoughts and the glass half empty. So, talking helps. It was something else I wanted to talk about, but I'm probably gonna just make another video because I don't want this video to be too long, you know, and then just with me rambling. You know, I actually want to sit and talk about something that you guys would be interested in. So I know as soon as I cut this video off, oh yeah, I remember what it was. I hate when that happens. Like you go shopping and I'm like, oh, something else I was supposed to get. I was supposed to get. You get all the way to the house. Damn, I needed eggs. I needed eggs and I ain't getting any. Damn it. But that's how it is. That's how my brain operates. Like it tells me, girl, you forgetting something, but it don't tell me what it is though. So I'm like, that's all you gonna say? Just you forgetting something? What is it? I would like to know before I leave the store. Anywho, so yes, I'm I know I'm gonna remember as soon as I could. But I just want to say thank you all for tuning in, and please bear with me. Um, I need, I know I need to do more of these videos, but you know, lately I've been uninspired, and uninspired, and what's the word I'm looking for? Scared to post. Period. Um, kind of. standing in my way yet again. I haven't got out of my own self way yet. Y'all, I don't know. 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 Anyway, I'm sorry. See, trailing off again. But thank you all for sticking in there with me and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I really do. And we shall talk again soon. Later. Bye.